Next, case 3. Okay, in case 3, it is the electric field direction. This one is electric field direction. Now, it is magnetic field direction. Charged particle enter into the electric and magnetic field with certain angle. Okay, it makes certain angle theta. Now, this velocity vector resolved into two rectangular components. This angle theta means this angle is also theta. It is V cos theta. Okay. Another component is V sin theta. Another component is V sin theta. Understood? Okay. Now, first of all, electric field. Electric field. Here, V cos theta is influenced with only electric field, not with magnetic field. Not with magnetic field. Understood? Okay. Force on charged particle Fx is equal to, EQ along the electric field direction. Along the electric field direction. Okay. Electric field force. F sub x Ex means electric field influence along the x direction. Fx is equal to EQ. Max is equal to EQ. Acceleration is equal to EQ by em. Okay, velocity after certain time. Ux is Ux plus Ax into t. Vx. Ux in the sense, what I done here? Phi cos theta plus Ax means EQ by m into t. Due to this electric field, path is, what is path? Straight line path. That path is straight line path. Understood? Due to electric field. Now, consider magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field. Here V sin theta component influenced with only magnetic field, not with electric field, because of it is perpendicular to the electric field. It is perpendicular to the electric field. Okay, here V sin theta component is influenced with magnetic field. Okay, it is V naught. Sorry, V naught. Here V naught sin theta is influenced with only B bar, not with electric field. Why? For electric field it is perpendicular. Okay. Magnetic field influence, magnetic force F sub x m is equal to BQ V naught into sin theta. BQ V naught into sin theta. Okay. Due to this one, path is circular path. Path is circular path because of perpendicular to the B bar. Okay. Path is circular path. Path is circular path. Understood? Okay. Now, radius is equal to mv naught sin theta by bq. Time period as usual 2 pi m by bq. Okay. So, both fields are applied. Due to electric field, straight line. Due to magnetic field, path is circular path. Both fields are applied. So, now path of the charged particle is helical path. Okay. Path of the charged particle is helical path. Okay. If electric field influence is 0, Electric field influence is 0. Path is helical path with constant pitch. Okay. If electric field influence is 0, path is helical path with constant pitch. Okay. With constant pitch. Path is helical path. If electric field is 0, it moves with constant pitch. But electric field influence is not equal to 0. So the path is helical path but variable pitch. Okay. It is variable pitch. It is P1, P2, P3, P4. Now P1 less than, P2 less than, P3 less than, P4. Pitch is gradually increase. Causes velocity gradually increase. Understood? Okay. Path of the charged particle is helical path. When electric field is 0, constant pitch. If electric field is not equal to 0, variable pitch. Okay. Once again, if the charged particle enter into electric and magnetic field, here electric field and magnetic field both are parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. Understood? So, charged particle enter into the electric and magnetic field with certain angle. V0 cos theta is influenced with electric field. V0 sin theta is influenced with magnetic field. So, next case, very important case. Okay. Here, E bar perpendicular to the B bar. Electric field is perpendicular to the magnetic field. Consider two charged plates, infinite plates. These are infinite plates, infinite length plates, positive charged plate, negatively charged plate. Okay. Electric lines of forces from positive charge to negative charge. Okay. It is the electric field direction. E bar downward direction. So minus J cap. Next, magnetic field applied. Cross represents the magnetic field. Cross represents the magnetic field. Magnetic field is inside. Now it is minus y-axis, negative y-axis, B bar, negative z-axis. Okay. Understood? Okay. Here electric field along y-axis, magnetic field along z-axis. Y-axis in the sense negative y-axis, z-axis negative z-axis. Okay. Now charged particle, positive charged particle. Here m means mass of the charged particle entered with velocity v. Entered with velocity v. That means velocity v bar perpendicular to the B bar, V bar perpendicular to the E bar. Now B bar perpendicular to the E bar. These three are perpendicular to each other. These three are perpendicular to each other. Now electrical force, F suffix E means electrical force, Q E bar QE, okay, direction minus J cap because of charged particle. Charged particle enter into a electric field, okay. So you know already electric field direction, positive field force direction, both are same, both are parallel, okay. Electric field direction, force on a positive charged particle is same, okay, is same, understood, okay. So QE minus J cap, magnetic force, same. What about its direction? Field direction, okay, field inside, forefinger represents field inside, velocity direction central finger, thumb represents the force direction, understood, okay. R, right hand palm rule, field direction, here thumb represents the velocity, okay, palm this, right palm direction is upward, means force direction is upwards, okay, force direction is upwards. Simply write as BQV sin 90 degrees plus J cap. Electric force downward direction, magnetic force upward direction by using Fleming left hand rule, okay, or right hand palm rule, okay. Magnetic force is equal to BQV J cap plus J cap. Now it is a charged particle. This one is the charged particle, okay. Downward direction, which force? Electric force, that is QE bar. Upward direction, which force? That is magnetic force, BQV, okay. J cap, BQV J cap, magnetic force upwards. Now cases. Case 1. In this case 1, magnetic force is more if electric force less than to the magnetic force. Electric force means QE less than to the BQV. Magnetic force more means net influence force upward direction, okay. Here magnetic force more compared to electric force. Due to that one, net force is in upward direction. It is the velocity direction. It is the path, okay. This one is path, upward parabolic path, upward parabolic path, understood, upward parabolic path. Next, upward parabolic path, sorry, it is influenced with this one, this, okay. Upward parabolic path if magnetic force is more, okay. Next, case 2, electric force is more compared to magnetic force. That means QE greater than to the BQV. QE greater than to the BQV. Now it is the velocity direction. Now here electric force more means net force direction is downwards, okay. This is path is downward parabolic, okay. Path is downward parabolic. If magnetic force is more, path is upward parabolic. So if electric force is more, downward parabolic, okay. Now if both are same, case 3, if electric force is equal to magnetic force, that means QE is equal to BQV. Q cancel. V is equal to E by B. Simply it is called velocity selector. Okay. Simply it is called velocity selector. Understood? In this case, if electric field is more, it moves in this direction. Magnetic field is more, it moves in upward direction. If both fields are same, it moves exactly straight line. Simply that is called as velocity selector. Understood? Okay. So if both fields are perpendicular, velocity is also perpendicular. In that case, three cases. If electric field is more, moves downward direction. Magnetic field is more, moves upward direction. If both are same, so velocity is equal to E by B. That is velocity selector. Simply path is straight line path. Okay. Next case. Here. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. Electric field along this direction, Z-axis. Magnetic field along this direction. If charged particle is in rest position at origin. Okay. Initially charged particle. Okay. Initially charged particle is in rest position at origin. Okay. Charged particle is in rest at origin. Okay. Is in rest at origin. Due to electric field force influenced on this one. That force is QE bar. Okay. Force direction, electric field direction are same because of it is a positive charge. Now, along the electric field direction, it moves with certain velocity. Okay. That velocity is perpendicular to the B bar. Understood? Okay. Now, here path is developed. That path is cycloidal path. Once again, here initially charged particle is in rest at origin. Here electric field influenced the force and pulled towards the field with certain velocity. That velocity is perpendicular to the B bar. Okay. That means here path is developed on the charged particle. That path is cycloidal path. Understood? Okay. These are the applications of Lorentz force.